Hi students, today we will see few important sums from trigonometry. As observed from the top of 100-meter tall lighthouse, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If one ship is behind the other on same side of lighthouse, find the distance between the ships. Let AB be the lighthouse whose length is 100 meter. Let C and D be the two ships with angles of depression 45 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Observe that AD is transversal to the parallel lines AE and DB. Therefore, angle EAD and angle ADB both are alternative angles. Alternative angles are equal. So, angle ADB is also 30 degrees. Similarly, AC is transversal to the parallel lines AE and BC. So, angle EAC and angle ACB both are alternative angles. Alternative angles are equal. So, angle ACB is also 45 degrees. Since we need to find the distance between the ships, that is CD. We use trigonometric ratios for these two right angle triangles ADB and ACB. Considering the triangle ABC, tan 45 equals to opposite side AB by adjacent side BC. In right angle triangle ACB, tan 45 is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB by adjacent side is BC. So tan 45 is 1, AB is given 100, BC. Therefore, BC is 100. Considering the triangle ADB, tan 30 equals to opposite side AB by adjacent side DB. Triangle ADB, tan 30 equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB by adjacent side is DB. AB is 100, DB. You know, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals to 100 by DB. Implies cross multiplication DB is equals to 100 into root 3. We know root 3 value is 1.732. 100 into 1.732 is 173.2. Find the distance between ships CD. We need to remove length BC from the length DB. Equals to DB minus BC. DB is 173.2 minus BC is 100. 73.2. Therefore, the distance between two ships is 73.2 meters. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary, find the height of the tower. Let AB be the tower, C and D are observation points. Given that the distance between observation point C and base of the tower is 4 meters. So CB is 4 meters. And the distance between observation point D and the base of the tower is 9 meters. Therefore, DB is 9 meters. We observe two right angle triangles in this arrangement. Triangle ABC and triangle ABD. We need to find the height of the tower, that is the length of AB. It is given to us that the angles of elevation at points C and D are complementary to each other. So let us consider the angle of elevation at C as theta and the angle of elevation at D as 90 minus theta. Consider the right angle triangle ABC. We can use trigonometric ratio tan. Tan theta equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore, tan theta equals to AB by opposite side is AB, adjacent side is CB. Tan theta equals to AB by CB is given 4. Send for this side 4 into tan theta equals to AB. Consider as first equation. Consider the right angle triangle ABD. Let us use trigonometric ratio tan. Tan 90 minus theta is equals to opposite side AB by adjacent side DB. Tan 90 minus theta equals to opposite side AB by adjacent side DB. Tan 90 minus theta equals to AB by 9. Tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta, since they are complementary angles. Therefore, cot theta equals to AB by 9. So 9 this side, 9 into cot theta equals to AB. Second equation. Multiplying equations 1 and 2. 4 tan theta into 9 cot theta equals to AB into AB. 4 9s are 36. Tan theta into cot theta is 1 by tan theta. AB into AB, AB square. Tan get cancelled. Therefore, AB is equals to root of 36. It is 6. Therefore, height of the tower is 6 meters. Two windmills of height 50 meters and 40 root 3 meters are on either side of the field. A person observes the top of the windmills from a point in between them. The angle of elevation was found to be 45 degrees and 30 degrees. Find the distance between the windmills. Here are the two windmills of heights 40 root 3 and 50 meters respectively. Y is the position of the observer. It is given that the angle of elevation for windmill AB of height 40 root 3 meters is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation for the windmill DC of height 50 meters is 45 degrees. We need to find the distance between the windmills. We can clearly see that this arrangement contains two right angle triangles. After we find right angle triangles, we can use trigonometric ratios to determine the unknowns. Firstly, let us consider the right angle triangle ODC. We know the height of the windmill DC and the angle elevation 45 degrees. So, we can use trigonometry ratio tan to determine distance OC. Therefore, tan 45 is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is DC and Adjacent side is OC. DC by OC. We know that the value of tan 45 is 1. DC is 50 by OC. Therefore, OC is equal to 50 meters. Considering the other right angle triangle OAB, we can use trigonometric ratio tan to determine the distance OB. Tan 30 equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB and adjacent side is OB. Therefore, AB is 40 root 3 divided by OB. We know that the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Cross multiplication. 40 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 120 meters. Therefore, OB is 120 meters. From observer to windmill DC as 50 meters and observer to windmill AB as 120 meters. The sum of these two distances gives us the distance between two windmills equals to OB plus OC. Plus OC is 50, 120 plus 50, 170 meters. Therefore, the distance between the windmills is 170 meters.